Welcome back, Stranger Things fans, for the fifth and final mission. There he is along for the final ride. Pops being my wingman. For the final time, back to the quarantine zone. Now we are off to the junkyard. Look for Sparky. Oh, Christ. This is a new character. Alright, I have to enter the rift. We're actually going like into the earth. Alright, here we go. Going down. Oh boy. What in the hell are we doing? Uh-oh. Oh, we're back out. Oh boy. Oh, I'm supposed to go up. Alright, I'm a horrible pilot as it is. And now my gauges aren't working. Alright, we're going back to the junkyard. I mean, believe it or not, I'm actually flying better without the gauges. Oh. Bad things are happening. Alright, now what? Find Sparky again. This Sparky guy is like elusive. Pops, you haven't done anything. And look at the gauges in here. Oh my god, my gyroscope. Oh, there he is! There he is! Look, he's waving. He's by the bus. Alright, Sparky. I see you. Come on, get on the bus. Oh, here we go. Look at the rescue. Oh no, here comes the friggin' whatever. Stay stable. Alright, we got like... I don't know. Get on... Wait while Higgins fixes the hoist. Oh great, come on Higgins. Demo bats. Dodge the swarm of creatures. Come on. Now what? Fly back to the rift. Oh, we almost crashed. Oh, where's the rift? Oh my god, we're taking the treetops off. What in the hell is going on? Oh, we're so close. Oh. Get above the trees. 3/10 of a mile. And still, Pops hasn't said one word to me in 5 missions. Oh, more bats. Alright, now what? Enter the upside down. We're going back in. Oh, we're upside down. Totally upside down. Alright, we're back. Alright, now what? What type of hell are you putting me through now? Exit the upside down. Oh, leave the zone. Oh, look, things are back to normal. Do I finally get to meet 11 or what here? Alright. Oh, there's the rift still. Fly to Squawk Radio. Oh my god, it all ends at Squawk Radio. I should have known. Alright. Alright. A little over a mile to go. I think you can start applauding, because we might just make it. It's over! Mary finally approved.